Why if I told you that there are trillions of microorganisms living inside of your body? In fact, scientists have estimated that the human body contains more microbial cells than the actual human cells. And these microbial cells influence digestion, metabolism, immunity, and even mood through what researchers call the gut-brain axis. So if you've been struggling with bloating, fatigue, skin problems, and even mood changes, the problem might not just be what you are eating. It might be the ecosystem living inside of your gut. Today, we are talking about the fascinating world of your gut microbiome and how they affect every aspect of your health. Welcome to MedHerb Talk, a place where modern medicine meets herbal wisdom. On this platform, we break down complex health topics into clear conversations that help you understand what's happening inside of your body.
From the soil to the soul, healing has always had a voice. This is MedHerb Talk, where nature speaks, and we listen.
In this episode, we'll explore what the gut microbiome actually is, diets and lifestyle habits that shape your gut bacteria, herbs and nutrients that support gut balance, and when it's the appropriate time, medical care becomes necessary. I know that at this point, you are probably wondering, what is microbiome? Your digestive tract is home to trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and other microbes. And together, they form what scientists call the gut microbiome. This ecosystem acts almost like an additional organ, meaning because of how many important functions it performs in the body. For example, they help break down certain foods your body cannot digest. They produce vitamins such as vitamin K and some B vitamins. Not only do they regulate and train your immune system, but they protect the digestive tract from harmful bacteria. Perhaps the most fascinating thing is their ability to communicate with the brain through the gut-brain axis, which links digestion with mood and mental health. There are 6 major signs of microbiome imbalance. When the microbiome becomes disrupted, scientists call it dysbiosis, which may affect many different systems in the body. Common signs include bloating, digestive discomfort, food sensitivity, fatigue, skin conditions, and mood changes such as anxiety or irritability. Because the gut is deeply connected to immune functions, long-term imbalance may also contribute to chronic inflammations. Let's move on to diet and gut bacteria. I know this must sound strange, but one of the most powerful influencers on the microbiome is our diet. Beneficial bacteria thrive on fiber-rich foods. This food contains compounds known as prebiotics, which serve as fuel for healthy microbes. These foods include vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, and certain nuts and seeds. Fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and others may also introduce beneficial microbes to the digestive system. But when diets are dominated by highly processed foods and excess sugar, microbial diversity may decline. Now, when it comes to our lifestyle factors, our gut health is influenced by more than just food. It is important to know that several lifestyles play a role in shaping the microbiome, and these include chronic stress, poor sleep, sedentary lifestyle, and frequent antibiotic use. Antibiotics are sometimes necessary to treat infections, but they can temporarily reduce beneficial gut bacteria. That is why supporting gut recovery after taking antibiotics is crucial. Let's quickly look at herbs that support gut health. Over the years, many traditional herbal remedies have long been used to support gut health and digestions. Examples of these herbs include ginger, which helps to stimulate digestions, chamomile, popularly known for calming the digestive tract, not forgetting our giant turmerics, which have anti-inflammatory properties, and our almighty peppermint, which may relieve certain digestive discomfort. Many of these herbs contain plant compounds called polyphenols that beneficial microbes can use as nutrients. I know you may have heard of probiotics. Probiotics are live beneficial microorganisms that may support gut health when consumed in adequate amounts. This can be found in fermented foods and certain supplements. However, persistent digestive symptoms should always be evaluated by healthcare professionals. Conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome or inflammatory bowel disease require proper medical diagnosis and treatment. Now, it is important you know that the gut bacteria is one of the most complex ecosystems within the human body. The food you eat, the way you manage stress, and your daily habits all influence this delicate balance. Always remember that taking care of your gut doesn't just improve your health, it supports your entire body system. Thank you if you made it this far. If you found this episode helpful, kindly share it with someone who also struggles with digestive issues. And don't forget to subscribe to MedHerb Talk for more conversations like this. A quick note, this platform is only meant for educational purposes. If you have any other health issues, please kindly reach out to a professional healthcare for proper diagnosis and treatment. Until next time, I remain your host, Marklin W. Wingler, and see you next Friday.
Nature talk, we dey listen, oh.